everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour of the ocean view room in the Hartford swing at the Ocean Club here in the Bahamas. And just some background, this hotel, I think it was built in 1965. I've seen that date somewhere, but it's most well known for Casino Royale, James Bond, and all the shots that were taken here, but also a lot of some of the older famous people have been here. There's photos of Elvis Presley, Marilyn Monroe, etc., the Beatles. So yeah, it's a really old historic hotel, and recently they've had I would say it used to be called the One and Only Hotel, and now it's the Ocean Club. And I would say they revamped it. The rooms are super new, at least where we are in the Hartford wing. And it's right next to, well, I wouldn't say right next to, it's on the same, it's on Paradise Island, just where Atlantis is. And you have access to Atlantis as well, even the water park if you stay at this hotel. So if you have kids, it's great as well. Anyways, now that I give you all some background, let's get into the room tour. Starting with the room tour, you have these really cool doors, and you walk in and you are right in the main sleeping area. So there's 3 people in this room. I'm sleeping on the couch. This is where my parents are sleeping. It's a very spacious room. This is a pull-out couch. You have a nice little table here. We have balloons because we were celebrating my dad's birthday. But as you can see, from the photos, the vibe is old, slightly not American, but the tropical feel of what hotels used to look like old luxury. You also get these free hats. They're complimentary with your stay, and they say the Ocean Club, Bahamas. Yep. I don't know if they have other colors. I think I asked and they had only these, and then a light pink one. Over here you have a little coffee bar. So some cups, some coffee, some pods, some tea, and they have this really cool retro looking machine. It's an illy machine, and it works. It's on a pod system. It looks like you have to put in fresh ground coffee, but you don't. It's just a pod, and it makes coffee. It's really great. And they also have a kettle for you to boil water. Again, everything's super new. If I show you these details, isn't that stunning? And there's these beams on the roof. I guess I can show you the view. So the view that you have from this room is the ocean, and then there's a hammock. I guess I'll go outside, but so you have this nice couch. You have these chairs as well as a table to utilize. It's a pretty big space, as you can see. Over there you can see the pool, and there's the gorgeous ocean. It's really a stunning view. But yep, that's the view. Okay, so coming back inside, you can see the property, the room a little better. You have the safe, mini bar I believe as well, some drawers. That's the closet. Then you have these glass doors. I would say my only complaint is that our door doesn't work, I can't push it, it doesn't work properly. But yeah, here is the bathroom. It's a really spacious bathroom. You have dual sinks. They give you bug spray here, if anyone was wondering. Also, you get complimentary water throughout your stay. Every day they'll give you bottles of it, which is great. So you are never dehydrated. The products that they use here are the Hermes Bath and Body Work Gel. Bath and Body products, if it focuses. I don't know why it's not focusing. What are you focusing on? Ah, there we go. Yep, this is the scent. And you get a lot of different things. So this is that. You have this gorgeous mirror. How if my camera focus. You have this gorgeous mirror. Then you have this tub, a large soaking tub. Again, as you can tell, like everything's brand new in this room, and I think it's because they've redone this whole, at least this part of the hotel completely, given that it was bought by Four Seasons. Here's the shower. I can't give this shower more props. Like they have this what's it called, waterfall shower head, and it's truly like the best thing ever. You're just surrounded in water all the time. Again, more of the products. Also, if you need more, there's like a concierge service here. Here's the bathroom. Nothing super special, just a private bathroom. But yeah, so I would say this is the whole property overall. It's, I mean, there's 3 people staying here and we find it to be perfectly, it's like big enough for us. But yeah, and I guess just a couple things to touch on, some other perks. At 6 p.m. every day, actually, let me just flip it on me. At 6 p.m. every day, you get free champagne and strawberries. So all you have to do is contact the concierge, butler, whatever you want to call it, and they'll deliver to you. And if you have kids, you can just ask for milk and cookies instead, and they'll deliver that as well. Yeah, there's, I guess just to give you some overview of things, there's one like entry to the beach. The property's not crowded at all. Like even I think we might be at full capacity, maybe not, but you hardly ever, like, you don't feel cramped, you don't feel like it's too many people. It feels great. I love this property. The water has been amazing. Super blue, super still. I can safely compare it to Turks and Caicos. So if you like that but you want to kind of switch it up, I recommend coming here. We were pretty hesitant for a while to come to the Bahamas. I don't know why, but we're glad we came because it is on par, if not above, Turks and Caicos, and we like love the Turks and Caicos. We think it has the best water, at least in our ocean. Yeah, so there's that. So I like this room. I think it's a great room. I like how new it is. Everything feels super clean. They do a great job cleaning it daily. There's also turn down service, and you get a little box of chocolates. Yeah, it's a great Four Seasons property. It has more of a twist given its heritage, but I say it's a great property. If you're looking into it, I would say go for it. We were also looking at the Bahamas, I believe. The reason why we chose this instead of that was because that's kind of like more of a high-rise building. It had more of like, I guess, an Atlantis feel, where it's more of a complex, and this had like, these are all 2 stories. There's also villas over there, but they're all 2 stories. So it's much more intimate. It's not crowded. Like, you don't feel like you're pushing. And like, to get to the beach is literally a 5-minute walk. Like, I can walk in my bathing suit to my room and be here in 5 minutes. So I think that's what we were looking for, just like access to the beach, things like that. While it felt like at Bahamas, maybe it was more of like, I guess I would compare it to, it felt more like it might be the Ritz in the Grand Caymans, where it's like a high-rise building. You have to walk through corridors, and there's just a lot of rows of beach chairs. So yeah, that was our thought process. But yeah, oh, also to note, as you see by the balloons, it was my dad's birthday, and we asked the concierge to, well, I asked if they had any balloons because I wanted to decorate, but they were like, oh no, we can like set up something, and they brought us like a little bottle of champagne, a little dessert, and some balloons. So again, they go above and beyond to really meet your needs. And I guess one last note is we were here actually during Dorian. We flew in on Saturday, August 31st. Luckily, it was only a tropical storm here in Nassau, but the staff was really great at communicating any updates. They were making sure that we all felt comfortable. Managers were walking around asking like how we felt, if we were concerned. things like that. So I think they did a really good job in handling that. And also on their Instagram, they've linked a way to donate money to help the other islands that were actually really devastated by the hurricane. So and their Instagram is FS Ocean Club. I'll have it linked below, as well as my own Instagram, and I have a link as well of how you can help the other islands. But I think one of the biggest way you can help is coming here and coming to the island. I know the news kept saying the Bahamas, but it was only 2 islands, the Grand Bahamas and, I'm gonna mispronounce it, but Abaco. Nassau was fine. Everything below Nassau was fine. So I would say come here, support it with tourism. It's a beautiful place. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour, and the hotel is mentioned below. I'll have all my social media linked below, as well as the hotels. Go check them out. I think I give it a 5 out of 5. And if you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll get back to them or point you in the right direction. Thanks.